Hi guys, today we're going to be solving a problem using the geometric series formula. So I'm going to write out the formula. So the sum of these couple of numbers equals to the first number in this series times 1 minus the common ratio to the power of the number of terms in your series divided by 1 minus the common ratio. So we're going to be choosing a different color and we're going to be plugging in all of these values that we see, and we're going to be trying to find the first term, which is a, in this formula. So let's see, r, the common ratio in this question, is going to be equal to 1 over 4. And for the number of terms in our series, it says the first 4 terms is 170, so that means there are 4 terms in this series. Since we can just plug this in to the formula that we have on the top. So after choosing a different color, we're just going to do this in blue. It's going to be equal to 170, which is the SN, equals to, we're trying to find this common ratio. Let me try a different color. We're trying to find the common ratio, the first term in the series, which is going to be A. So we're just going to leave it as A. They say that the common ratio is 1 over 4, so we're just going to put that in. And we're going to raise that to the power of the number of terms that we have, which is 4. And then that's just 1 minus the common ratio again. Now, from here, it's going to be pretty easy. We're just going to solve for A by isolating A. So we're going to rewrite this, and I'm going to use my calculator to pull this out. So we have A, and by using the calculator we can find that 1 minus 1/4 to the power of 4 is going to be equal to this long number of decimals, 0.9960, and so on. If you have a calculator, you can really just use the answer over and over. You don't really have to write it down when you're solving for this. It's going to be just writing out each and every step. Now on the bottom, we're going to find out that 1 minus 1 over 4 is just 3/4, so that's going to equal to 0.75. Now, so we can simplify this, we're going to multiply each side by 0.75 so we can get rid of that fraction on the right side of this equation. And by doing that, we have to balance out this equation. Now, using the calculator, after multiplying these two values together, we're going to get 127.5. Now, I'm not going to rewrite this entire thing, but we know that A times this long number, this decimal number. So now that we've gotten rid of this fraction here, we're just going to divide each side by this long decimal. So that means A, once we do that, is going to equal to 128. Right, now it's going to be 128. Let's just see if that's correct. And we're right.